The new criminal laws in India, which came into effect in 2025, introduced several new offences and reforms. According to online courses on Swayam 2, key changes include offences related to women and children, offences affecting the human body, offences against the state and public tranquility, and offences related to contempt of lawful authority. Additionally, the laws incorporate provisions for electronic evidence, revised punishment structures, and addressed organized crime. Specific new offences include offences against women and children. The new laws consolidate existing offences and introduce new provisions to address crimes against women and children, aiming for gender neutrality and enhanced protection. Next, offences affecting the human body. These include offences related to physical harm and assault with potential revisions of existing punishments. Next, offences against the state and public tranquility. The new laws addresses acts that threaten national security, public order and authority of public servants. Offences related to contempt of lawful authority. This includes offences related to obstructing or defying lawful orders or actions of public officials. Offences related to electronic evidence. The new laws recognize and incorporate electronic evidence in legal proceedings, reflecting the growing reliance on digital technologies. Offences related to organized crime. The lawful introduce provisions to tackle organized criminal activities and enhance law enforcement's ability to investigate and prosecute some crimes. Other notable reforms include revised punishment structures. The new laws revise the existing structure of punishments, potentially introducing new forms of penalties and adjusting existing ones. Victim-centric approach. The reforms emphasize a victim-centric approach, focusing on victim protection and providing avenues of residual and compensation. Community service. Community service may be introduced as a form of punishment of certain offences. Citizen-centric clause. The overall aim of new laws is to make them more citizen-friendly accessible. Awareness campaigns. To promote awareness about these new laws, the Bureau of Police Research and Development is conducting a video making contest, inviting citizens to create videos explaining the new offences and their implications.